G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at setting up an enterprise FME Flow environment into an Azure cloud, but you can set it up in a very similar way in whatever cloud you're using, whether it be Google or Amazon or whatever you want to do. You just need to make sure that all the machines can talk to each other and you've got a database you can access. So firstly, a few quick notes on the general architecture of FME Flow. There's a few components. So you've got your database, you've got FME Flow core, and then you can have multiple FME Flow engines as well. For the core and the engines to communicate to each other, you'll need a network file store as well. It's just a file, UNC network file directory, right? That all the machines can go and read. So we're going to be doing a distributed setup. So your database, your core, your separate engines will all be on different machines. But there's another way to set it up as well. You can just run the installer and have everything all run off of a single server. But that's less common. That's usually for like a dev environment or a test environment type setup. But if you did want to just do that, just to get an FME server up and running, you can just do that. You just run the installer. And I'll show you where you do that during this setup. But in this series, I really wanted to have this documented down so that if you needed to go set up a proper production level enterprise setup of FME Enterprise, you'll be able to do that just by following this video series. There'll be a few things, that maybe aren't production level, so we're not going to be creating a domain and everything and handling all of that to be able to create the service account user. We'll just use a local account user. But when we get to that, I'll explain what that all means to you and how you'll get around that. You'll probably be working with your IT your IT services to go and set that stuff up anyway, but it's not a big deal. Follow the series step by step, and I'll see you in the next one where we set up the virtual machine on Azure. Cheers.